That's the one. Champagne gold under all that corrosion.
Quite the project, isn't it?
Let's assess the structural integrity first. It's a pleasure to finally meet you. We're the restoration team from Car Classic Craft. We're ready to get started on your Phantom.
It breaks my heart to see it like this. Look at this panel.
We will do our best. Was this stored outside?
The bumper structure is completely compromised.
She's been with my family for 50 years. I want her restored, but I must oversee the process myself.
Thank you. We promise to take good care of her.
Keep coming straight, watch the left side clearance. Easy now, and stop.
Easy now, watching the rocker panels.
Left side clear.
Right side clear, continue descent.
Okay, the plan is simple. We strip it down completely, assess the damage, and then we begin the rebuild.
As expected, the corrosion is structural here. It's beyond repair.
Describe it. The engine bay is completely neglected. We'll need to start with a deep clean before the assessment.
Given the extent of this cracking and the mold, this section is beyond repair. We need to source new hides. All right, team, keep it steady. Left side down, slowly. And rest it gently on the padding. Okay, pull back slowly, keep it level. Now let's move it to the supports. Easy down. All right, easy down. 3, 2, 1, and set it down gently.
Phase 1 is stabilizing the shell. We'll start with the A-pillars and work our way back before prepping for paint.
The teardown is complete. We can now begin the engine disassembly phase.
Okay, bank 1, bolt 3 removed. The gasket is definitely brittle.
Significant scoring on lobe 3, heavy carbon buildup.
Confirmed. Factor that into the machining plan.
Roger that.
We're inside cylinder 3 now. Looking for wear.
Hold it right there. That scoring pattern is unusual. Also, check the carbon deposits near the ringland area. Main bearing cap sequence, step 1, 25 foot-pounds. Step 2, yield tightening 90 degrees.
Fender treatment is solid, the conversion is complete, hardness is spot on. We can prep this section.
Steady pressure now, keep the angle consistent. We need that perfectly flush with the panel.
See the difference. The compound worked well on the heavy oxidation. Now focus on an even coat of the UV sealant.
This one is perfect. Go ahead and check off the headlight.
All right, checked.
The finish is flawless. We did it again, team.
Yes, it's so there.
Steady now, easing the pressure. Watch your alignment on the left, pulling it slightly to the right.
Beautifully done. A perfect fit for a masterpiece.
Slightly in, stop.
Confirmed.
She's running clean, team. Sounds exactly right. The Phantom is complete. Absolutely flawless work, team.